our hands-on first day, we get in there.
You're cooking your first day here, and I enjoy it.
We try to bring in a farm-to-table mentality.
You learn how to do it by hand from start to finish.
Staff and students around campus can come in and dine at the Apache Kitchen.
Our industry is team-oriented, so you have to work well with other people. Our students come out as certified culinarians.
The sky's the limit, really. It just depends on the work that you're willing to put in.